BioBlack is a new innovative pigment from Nature Coatings. It's made from wood waste, so it is not using petroleum. We use wood waste, and our product is sustainable because it's carbon negative and free from all of the PAHs found in traditional carbon products. BioBlack is carbon negative, so for every 1 metric ton of carbon black that you use, or for 1 metric ton of BioBlack that you use, 2 metric tons of carbon are removed from the atmosphere. Typical pigments made from petroleum have 3 metric tons of exposure of carbon black to the atmosphere. So switching from that to ours is a net of -5 metric tons of carbon. I see BioBlack becoming the preeminent pigment for those looking for sustainable options, those looking to make the world and products cleaner, and those looking out for mill workers and customers looking for non-toxic products. It's always challenging to bring a new product into the environment. It's usually more expensive. You have to change the way people do things. So there's always challenges with introducing something new, but the opportunities are huge. Sustainability is becoming a big opportunity all around the world. And I know Pakistan makes products that get shipped all over the world. So I think with sustainability becoming a big impact, there's a large opportunity here. It's been great so far. We've had lots of meetings, lots of help from iTextiles, great booth setup. So it's been a great response.